Hey you guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Okay guys, so if you want to see how to make this aloe vera juice to put on your scalp, then just keep watching. So first you're going to need is a huge aloe vera plant or maybe a small one. I don't know how much hair you have, but because I have a lot of hair, the huger ones from Walmart or wherever you go shopping at will do best. What you're going to need is a cup and a comb, like a comb that has very sharp teeth on it, and you're going to see why in a minute. So first you're going to cut your aloe vera plant into 3 sections, and after you cut the aloe vera plant into 3 sections, you're going to remove the pokey ends on the aloe vera plant and then split the aloe vera plant in half, and then give your aloe vera plant a 30-minute water bath to remove all of those poisons out of the aloe vera. So before you put it on your hair, please make sure you soak your plant so you're not itching and pretty much itching. I don't know, some people might break out, but for me, if I don't soak my aloe vera plant, I itch. And an easier way to actually open up the aloe vera plant is using your nail. Like, you don't even need any scissors or anything. If your aloe vera plant was left sitting on the counter, it shouldn't be difficult to do this step. Is to just run your nail along the green part of the aloe vera plant and it should peel right off, as you guys can see. Okay, so after you take your aloe vera plant out of your water from soaking, then just scrape the inside of the aloe vera plant with your comb with the small teeth side, and this is going to make the aloe vera plant get really slimy, and you're going to get all the meat out the middle of the aloe vera plant without using your nails or having to get a blender or like having to get a fork. This is just an easier process that I just came across. Like, I don't know why I was thinking about, I was like, let me just comb the aloe vera to make the slimy, I don't even know what it's called, but the gel secrete out of the aloe vera. You guys, sorry if you hear my son, but you guys already know I have him sometimes. So I have him today. So what you're going to do is just squeeze the aloe vera plant and get all the gel out of the middle, and you're going to need to use some type of cheesecloth or some type of strainer to get the chunks out of this gel. But you guys, since I wasn't at home, my cousin didn't have a cheesecloth, so I used some napkins to try to get the clumps of gel or the clumps of aloe vera out of the gel. So that's what you guys are going to see next. But pretty much you're just going to repeat this process. Scrape the inside of the aloe vera plant with your comb, the small tooth side, and then use some type of cheesecloth. Don't do like I did and use a tissue because it didn't work quite as well, but it got the job done. Like, desperate measures, desperate times call for desperate measures. And you guys, this is a way simpler way to make aloe vera juice, and I apply this to my hair. So if you're interested in seeing me apply this gel to my hair, I do have my braids still in, so just leave comments down below if you want to see how I apply this to my scalp. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, it didn't work out quite as well like I thought it would, but I got enough juice that I could use for my scalp, and then I'm going to use my green tea oil that I made. Because I've been dealing with this shedding, you guys, I'm really trying to stop my hair from shedding. So that's why I'm doing this aloe vera gel treatment. So yes, I'm going to add a little bit of oil into that mixture and I'm going to apply it to my hair. Once again, if you want to see how I applied this aloe vera juice or gel to my hair, then leave comments down below. Okay, you guys, so this is the end result. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and thank you guys again for watching.